everyone, welcome back to Chef J Cooks. Today's lunch is yakisoba. I picked up some yakisoba noodles the other day, so I will stir fry them with fresh vegetables for an easy, quick lunch. Let's get started. Hi, I'm Juri, your guide to easy Japanese cooking here at Chef J Cooks. Heat some oil in a large frying pan. I will stir fry carrots, cabbage, beans sprouts, aburaage, canned tuna, and yakisoba noodles in order. I start by stir frying the carrots, which take the longest to cook. Then I add the fried tofu aburaage, cabbage, and bean sprouts. They are thinly sliced for easy mixing with the noodles. While carrots, cabbage, and bean sprouts are the classic veggies, I sometimes add onions, spinach, bell peppers, or mushrooms for extra variety. Once the vegetables are soft, add the canned tuna and yakisoba noodles. The noodles are clumped together, so add a splash of sake or water to loosen them up. Stir everything together and season with Worcestershire sauce and soy sauce for a savory, flavorful finish. Yakisoba noodles usually come with a powdered sauce packet, but I prefer to skip it and season it to my taste. Mix well until the sauce coats everything evenly. And my yakisoba is done, ready in just 10 minutes. Let's serve up the yakisoba in a bowl. I'm pairing it with some leftover cabbage miso soup and pickled vegetables for a refreshing side. Here's my lunch for today. It's nothing fancy, but these yakisoba noodles are delicious and satisfying. You can easily find yakisoba noodles at the Japanese grocery store, so try this simple yet flavorful meal. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what quick meals you love to make. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Grab a copy of my new ebook from Japan with Flavor Vegetarian, featuring over 80 easy vegetarian dishes for everyday cooking. Go to shop.chefjcooks.com.